For all of you who feed your pet pigeons with poor appetite, you can overcome this by using the following methods. 1. Galangal potion to make this galangal potion. The ingredients you can use are 3 pinches of galangal rhizome 50 ml of boiled water. To make it, you can wash the galangal clean, then grate it, add water and squeeze it. The squeezed water can be given to pigeons 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon. You can do this before eating for several days. 2. Pegagan leaf potion. You can make this potion with ingredients such as 1 handful of pegagan leaves, 2 glasses of water. To make it, wash the pegagan leaves clean. Then add water and boil them in a covered state until they boil down to half. And after it cools, the water can be filtered. The filtered water can be given to pigeons, 1 spoonful a day. You can do this for several days. Not only boiled, fresh pegagan leaves can also be chewed by cutting them into small pieces and adding them to their feed. You can take as much as 15–30 grams of fresh pegagan leaves. 3. Papaya leaf potion. To increase the appetite of your pigeons, you can make a papaya leaf potion using 1 papaya leaf, enough table salt and also half a glass of boiled water. After the papaya leaves are washed clean, mash the papaya leaves, then add water and salt. Then squeeze until the water comes out. Then, the squeezed water can be drunk on chill. It is better to give the pigeons the squeezed water in the morning. You can also concoct it in the morning. You can do this for several days. 4. Temulawak potion. Prepare 2 pinches of temulawak rhizome, 2 pinches of galangal rhizome, half a handful of meniran leaves and also 2 glasses of water. To make it, the ingredients can be washed clean beforehand. After that, you can cut it into small pieces and then put it in a container. Then you can add water and boil it until it boils for 15 minutes. Let it cool, then the solution can be filtered. Give the pigeons half a spoon twice a day. Do this for several days. 5. Give peanuts. Giving food such as peanuts to pigeons is one of the things that can be donated to increase the pigeons' appetite. And this is a special food for pigeons, because in general, pigeon food is corn as the main food. Although corn also contains quite high protein, adding extra protein in peanuts is very good for pigeons. In addition, peanuts are usually also very popular with pigeons, because it has high protein. Give green beans. How to increase the appetite of pigeons can be donated by giving green beans. This type of food such as green beans is very good for pigeons. In addition to being useful for accelerating appetite and for fattening pigeons, this type of food is also useful for pigeons to be fertile and lay eggs quickly. The protein content which is considered quite high in green bean seeds and its small size is generally preferred by pigeons naturally. Choosing good plants to become breeders. Choosing good seeds to be breeders is not easy, but it don't need to be thought of too difficult. Because pigeons that often win both local and national levels must have a proportional body posture that is almost perfect. However, choosing a pigeon's posture that is almost perfect is difficult, because we only refer to its external organs such as head, body, tail, legs, feathers, but also includes bones, breathing, and the pigeon's intelligence level. While pigeon hobbies Whether they have decades of experience playing pigeons or even those who have not long, mostly only study the character of pigeons from the external physical appearance. Rarely want to delve into the internal organs and intelligence, level of intelligence. Back to the main issue of how to choose a good breeder, to be used as a parent. Do we need to see the achievements? Do we have to be at the national level, or is it enough to just look at the local level? In this case, it cannot be used as a guideline because the national champion is only on check. Whether it is a coincidence or not, we don't know. While the local champion is routine, often do we hesitate to make it apparent. How much is the national champion pigeon? This is where we have to be good at choosing wisely. Both examples of pigeons above have the same strong potential in passing on the champion lineage to their children. The most important thing is that the pigeons that we will make breeder must have criteria that meet the requirements and are selected so as 1. Champion lineage. This term is often used. Where in the Indonesian dictionary the term jawara is jagoan, pendekar or we define jagoan, champion or penyerang where every fight often wins or is even undefeated. So in the world of pigeons, if we use the term champion lineage, that the descendants of the bird have often won when competed and are often champions. 2. Proportional body. Understanding the proportional body of a pigeon is certainly not too difficult because almost all pigeon players, both beginner and seniors, already understand the term proportional body because there are many references to the physical characteristics of proportional pigeons. 3. Good intelligence. Intelligence, or in the pigeon world we often call the pigeon smart, easy to train. Straight path, including good mentality because it memorizes quickly when trained even though it often moves from field to field, is trained not to go round or get confused every time it is trained. Especially when moving field, and quickly recognize the female geberan or owner and her team seal. 4. And a perfect respiratory system. Perhaps the term perfect respiratory system for the racing pigeon world is not very important, and rarely do players pay attention to this because this term is often used as a guideline by homing pigeons whose release distance is up to 100 km or more. While in racing pigeons whose release distance is between 1 km, breathing is not important, especially when supported by the criteria above which are already proportional, but in breathing. Do not ignore it because many birds are found when trained to fly so fast, sprint, or perch on the female quickly, shoot or shoot, well it turns out that it is so far like flying in place. Losing 2 pigeons that fly like pela one by one but quickly get to the female jockey. This factor is the cause of a poor respiratory system. So to assess a good respiratory system in addition to the physical form that must be considered, it must also be seen when trained where the pigeon controls between flying and getting to the female, not too hasty flying because logically the pigeon is also able to control the distance that must be traveled with the breathing that must be used. Happy searching!